Canada's media hits its full Putin-esque glory. I'm Brian Lilly with the Rebel.media. Have you seen the deluge of stories about Justin Trudeau being shirtless lately? It started with a family who bumped into the Prime Minister and his family out walking in Gatineau Park. As the tourist family was walking towards this cave, out pops Justin Trudeau with his wife, his kids behind him, and he's not wearing a shirt. One of the visiting families took a selfie with him, and you can see Trudeau a little bit in the picture there. You see that? He doesn't have a shirt on. You don't see much, but you can tell he doesn't have a top on. Well, that led to a story in local media, which led to a story in the Toronto Red Star, the official paper of the Liberal Party, and then it got spread around the world. The Toronto Star even did their own follow-up story on how the rest of the world thinks our Prime Minister is so dreamy. And now it's repeating itself again. I guess they felt left out. CBC had to find their own topless Prime Minister story, and they found one in a photo of Trudeau standing in the background in Tofino, British Columbia. He's just finished surfing or is about to go. I can't really tell, but he's standing in the background as a couple walk onto the beach to get married. This has led to Trudeau and his shirtlessness showing up on Drudge Report and in international news stories once again. I don't have a problem with Justin Trudeau walking around with his shirt off, especially he's at a beach, he's out with his family. Lots of dads do this. And you know what? He's in good shape, he's hunky, whatever. My problem is with the media and how they're handling it. They can't stop the drooling, and it's really unbecoming. Can you imagine the reaction if male writer after male writer was doing stories on how hot Rona Ambrose is, about how she rocks red leather pants in the House of Commons? I mean, she does. But we don't do endless stories on it. We don't drool over it. It would be unbecoming. But with Trudeau, there's no such filter. They're so gaga for him that they don't even think twice about it. Now, when Vladimir Putin does this and the Russian media play along, we laugh at it. We laugh at Putin using his topless photos to show how virile and manly he is. We mock the Russian media for playing along with this propaganda game. And now with our own leader, we're doing the same thing. Unfortunately, the liberal media and the rest of the world is just drooling alongside ours. Like I said, I have no problem with Justin Trudeau being in shape or being good looking, with people noticing that. But the slobbering by the media, the fanboy, fangirl type adulation, it's really got to stop. It's embarrassing for you, quite frankly.
Thanks for watching. Click here to never miss a Rebel update. Want even more of the Rebel? Well, click here to become a premium member.